Hello, my dear friends. Today I'm talking about body and health of Pisces natives. And the people born under it are of a lymphatic and negative nature, very fond of luxuries, which too often lead them to seek a life of ease. In later life, they are prone to take on an excess of soft, flabby flesh, which lead to ill health. So take care of your health, Pisces. Don't neglect your health. The Pisces people respond very rapidly to suggestions, whether they are good or evil, and they will also respond just as quickly to the influence of the healer. Do not allow anyone who is of a too sympathetic nature to visit a Pisces native while he or she is ill. Of the over-sympathetic type, there are too many in the world today. The Pisces native will enjoy the visit of the sympathizer, but when the latter has gone, he usually has a relapse and must quickly send to the doctor or a healer. He should be placed in a very cheerful room with a cheerful attendant and a sign on the door, "No sympathetic visitors allowed." The Pisces native is prone to drift into the habit of drink and the use of narcotics, especially if we find an affliction of the moon and Neptune in the horoscope. Affliction means a bad aspect, a complicated aspect, opposition, even conjunction sometimes, square. Pisces native rules the feet, the toes, and the fibrin of the blood. On account of their fondness for good food and an easy life, Pisces people are subject to gout and the swelling of the feet. So move your body. Try to eat healthier. Don't stay and do nothing. Pisces are too sensitive. Sometimes they lack vitality, so they need more rest to sleep very well, So they have to take care of their health, to not get gout, deformed feet and toes, all kinds of tumors, and dropsy. This was on short about the body and health of Pisces natives. So please take care of you, okay? Bye-bye.